Bam. The late adopter. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the new Cardano video. Minus 2.27%, you know, it's something, it's a little bit down, but everything else is like give or take, a little bit green, a little bit red. Nothing is actually happening. So we're gonna see what's happening actually here with Cardano. Yesterday we had these supports at 104, 1.4 and 1.31. We actually went below the 1.4, but let's see if this on the daily held. Yeah, the daily held, like, you know what, the 1.4. So the daily is actually important, but on the 4 hourly it looks like we actually went a little bit below that, but still you know, in the target area. And right now it is held. There is some kind of divergence. We're gonna talk about divergences. We're gonna talk about how we're gonna get above this line over here and why I think that's gonna happen pretty soon. So get ready for that. And next week actually might be a very nice week. That said, let's get into the charts. Make my face smaller, charts bigger as always. Remove some lines over here, some numbers. We don't need numbers. And we can zoom in first in the daily chart and see that right now we are pulling a little bit back on this red candle here. But yesterday's candle was in fact a green candle, and it was very nice candle. We did not break the support down here, which is very important. So we got some kind of low, higher low, higher low, technically an uptrend, technically bullish, technically looking good, technically very nice. And I hope you are as excited as I am. I just did a video on Matic, on VeChain, on XRP. Everything looks good. I had a live stream today on Bitcoin. It looks, Bitcoin is actually crabbing, but I'm very bullish. I'm technically very bullish on everything. I think Bitcoin is coming to some kind of you know, ending phases, and this is actually gonna go higher pretty soon. So I'm gonna explain to you what I'm seeing on the charts right now and how this is gonna play out. We're gonna start with the 4 hourly time frame right now, and here the first thing you'll notice is there is some kind of RSI divergence here. RSI divergences are very popular. You know, you can see here that the price is actually going down right here between these two pivot points, and the price and the RSI is actually going down. So we can zoom in a little bit over here, but you can see that clearly that the line is ascending, meaning it's going up while the price is going down. This is a divergence, and that's why we are having this some kind of a bottom down here, and we are pumping to the upside. Now thing to understand that this divergence is already played out, it's finished, it's gone, but it's good to know that these divergences might indicate some kind of bottom and reversal, right? So the fact that we actually went a little bit up is a good thing. Right now we might actually be going a little bit down, but you know, the move might actually be coming to an end right over here. That said, there is also a bigger divergence on the daily chart, which is very nice, and it's happening right now, and it's very nice, and it's called hidden bullish divergence. It's hidden because, you know, it's not regular. There are two types of divergence: regular divergences and hidden. This is a hidden bullish divergence, and hidden bullish divergence is when the price goes up. You can see the price going clearly up over here, right? And the RSI is going down. So RSI going down, the price is going up. This is hidden bullish divergence, and it means continuation of the move. Usually these bullish moves are, you know, continuing to the upside. So this might actually get us up this line of resistance over here that we've been dropping for a long time, and get us above it. So right now only thing we are looking for is not actually going into the like some kind of $3, $4, $5, $10 mark or something. We just try to get above them, above this level up here, and I think right now it looks very bullish, it looks very nice. And this divergence on the daily chart, this hidden bullish divergence, might actually get us where we want to be. So let's clear up everything up here. Let's zoom in a little bit up. So you know, the point to be very bullish, it's only at 1.84. like, you gotta break that level and go higher, you know, to be super bullish and stuff like that. Here we previous to this level up here, we had this level at 0.80, and you know, and we said you have to break 180 to be super bullish, but we did break it. But the next candle is you know, engulfing bearish candle, which is a bad candle, and this is called a rejection of the, or resistance, right? You getting rejected resistance. So when we actually break the, you know, 1.80, right now it's 1.84. Once we break that, you don't want to have a red candle right after it. You know, you want to have a green candle or a red candle only back to the support, but going back down below the support is actually a failure. So, you know, but you know, when we come to that level, you know, we're gonna talk about that, but right now that's not that important. What's important is this part over here, and are we gonna get above above the trend line, you know, the resistance line that's holding us back. Now we already know right now that there is some kind of hidden bullish divergence here, so a hidden bullish divergence will actually pump us to the upside, but let's see how this actually looks on the small time frames, and try to draw some very nice trend lines over here. So, you know, when drawing trend lines, it is a little bit tricky depending on how you draw them. This upper line is pretty much given, you know, pretty much given like 1, 2, 3 hits. This isn't coming even all the way up, you know, but might do something like this and then get up here to the line. But right now this line is pretty much given. Now the bottom line is actually the one that's actually creating some kind of a problem in the paradise, and you might draw it something like this over here, and that gives us a channel. A channel are unfortunately just channels, and it can continue forever, but we know at least we have to break one of these lines to, you know, to break the trend. So either break the downside where we increase where we continue dropping, because these are right now downtrend, but we continue downtrend in a faster movement, or we break to the upside and either start going sideways over here or continue going up, but we break the trend. So right now we are in a downtrend, and breaking down on this downtrend, it decreases the speed of the downtrend. That's very important to understand. It decreases the speed, but breaking to the upside over here, it all slows the speed of the downtrend. So it can still continue going down, but not as fast as it was going over here. Right now it's going to go slower, and then we might break it again. It's going to go sideways and slowly going to go up. The thing is, once you break a trend, important thing to understand, you are not going from down to up. You are just changing the pace of the trend. Hopefully you might even reverse it. So this might of course reverse the trend and continue going up, but it can also start going sideways, or it can continue going down but just with a lower speed, like something over here. It goes up and then it starts creating new channel down here. It's a still down channel, but it's not as fast as this one, right? On the other hand, if you break the downside, you can create a new channel that's going even faster than previous channel. I don't think this scenario down here that we are going to go faster down is actually probable, because we are already so oversold on some metrics, right? So I think the biggest probability is to break to the upside. Now, considering that we had just 4-hourly divergence over here, we are pushing back to the now resistance line. This 4-hourly is just enough to push us back to the resistance line. That's enough. And then we got the daily that's gonna push us above the actual resistance line. So this daily divergence, this daily hidden bullish divergence, I think that's gonna be the one that's actually gonna push us out of the trend, and, you know, change the trend. So I'm being very bullish on Cardano right now. I'm bullish on everything. I just make a video on Matic, on VeChain, on XRP. You know, I've been doing live stream on the Bitcoin today. I'm gonna do another live stream later today. You know, we do a lot of videos over here. I look a lot of charts during the day, and everything seems to be having some kind of indication that we are going to go to the upside. You can already see the Bitcoin is up 1.2%. It's not much, but it's small indication that might actually be it. So we're gonna see how that works out. But I'm pretty bullish. I'm pretty looking at this might actually break to the upside pretty soon, and that's that. So if you like that, subscribe to the channel if you want to see more of Cardano. We do Cardano quite often on this channel. Hit the like button on the way out. That's you know, you watched the entire video. On the way out, just smash the like button. Check out the links below. There's if you want to learn tech analysis, there's a link below for that. There's other kind of links below, you know. Anyways, thanks for watching. I appreciate you watching my channel, watching my videos. You know, it helps me out. Anyways, see you tomorrow. Bye bye.